Hello guys, I hope you're good. Today we're gonna be doing a little bit self-care, a little bit mini, what maybe then pedicure. I'm a DIY queen, so even this, I know I don't have beautiful nails or what or hands, but these are my hands. I did them myself. It's all. So I'm gonna soak off my feet for about 20 minutes, I guess, until they're good. Then I'm gonna show you ukuthi ngikudla ngani kanjani. I don't have beautiful feet, but yeah, I'm gonna try. Enjoy. Okay, it's been 30 minutes now. Let me show you ukuthi ngizenza kanjani, because ngiyangifuna ukususa this hard skin, this thing, so ngisebenzisa ini-age kwasemakhaya sikubiza ngecopha. So oh, the electricity is back. Wow. Yeah, ne? You see, I don't know if ever you see what is the flaked asukai. It means athini isikhumba esidala, yes, sizamususa sona. You guys call it a rough pot or something, but since we know must pause, as it do then we do it ourselves. Yes, that is perfect water. By the gate, going Google. Yeah. Then yeah, I'm gonna do it to another one. And then after the scrub, take my wool cuff and gently clean my feet. And gently. Then you'll be tired. Rinse them open. So and then we dry them with a dry towel. You see? Then this is like the nails. They're dry, they're clean. Then we're gonna do our nails on the side. We're moisturizing now. Guys, ngineenyawo ngimnyama vele. So if ever you're gonna come and judge me, that's your problem, not mine. But yeah, now we're gonna do our nails. They've outgrown. Sazi khulile. I'm gonna cut them all. Then I do a base coat just for protection of my next one. After I've removed this, then I take my face pad and my acetone, dip, dip, dip. It's important to close it. Peak. Then we're done. You see? Now all clean. Okay. Then we're doing in the cleaner a base coat. Then it's dependent on me if I ever want to do some nails or what. But for now, thinking natural will be good. Then we are almost done. Then if ever segumile, then I will be using my old cuticle. I use it on my feet, I use it on my nails. I think everyone knows old cuticle though. Yeah. Let me check, where is it? Where is mine? Old cuticle, old cuticle, old cuticle. Oh man, I don't know, where is it? Oh yeah, here's it. It's an old cuticle. Yes, this thing you, after your feet are dry, even if it's around your nails, after it's after done, after they're dry, then oh, they're dry already. That's good. Just to clean up your all your cuticles. I don't have beautiful feet. I'm a black woman. I'm black, by the way. So I'm in, like, in a darker side. I'm a little bit darker, but yeah. Then we're done. If ever I wanted to put some Curex, maybe I would have used my, I don't know what color. We're done. Yes, this is all done. Then we're done. If ever I wanted to put some Curex, I would have put it, but for now, I think I like them like this. Tell me what you think. Please don't be too harsh. But yeah, that's it. Bye, guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on that notification. Yeah.